Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to find all the shared links by date on the WhatsApp app for PC. With the new update, WhatsApp has made it a lot easier to browse through your media and locate shared content, especially links without endlessly scrolling through chats. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it loads, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice a new menu with several icons. Among them is the media icon. Click on that. This is where WhatsApp organizes all shared media, including photos, videos, documents, and links. After clicking the media icon, select the links option. This section displays every link shared in your chats, whether you sent it or received it. It's a quick and organized way to revisit websites, articles, or videos shared with you over time. Now, here's where the new update makes things even better. At the top of the window, you'll see a sort icon. It looks like a small filter or funnel symbol. Click on that. A menu will appear, giving you the option to sort your shared links by different periods. Choose the date or time period you're interested in. For example, you can filter links from the past week, month, or even a custom date range. Once you choose, WhatsApp will instantly sort and display only the links shared during that specific time. This simple update saves a lot of time when you're trying to find an old link from a project, a group chat, or even a personal conversation. No more scrolling for minutes just to find one shared website. Everything is neatly grouped, easy to access, and fast to locate. And that's it. You've just learned how to find all the shared links by date on the WhatsApp PC app. Try it out today and explore how convenient it is to organize and review all your shared content.